If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making MITHA KHURUMA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of refined flour or maida, 5 tablespoons of ghee, a quarter teaspoon of salt and half a cup of sugar. In a large bowl, take all the refined flour or maida. To that, add all the salt and the ghee. Now combine these really well with your fingers and after combining it really well, take small portion in your hand and tightly squeeze it. If it holds the shape, then it's perfect. Now add the water, which is about 1/3 cup, then knead it to make a hard dough. And after that, let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, on a flat surface, dust some flour and take the dough with the help of a rolling pin, roll it to flatten it a little. But keep in mind, we need at least half-inch thick dough to make the khuruma for this kind of shape. But you can make it in any shape you want. So for the shape I am doing, you need to cut the sides just like this, make it a perfect rectangle, then cut it with the help of a knife to give it a small finger-like shape, just like this. Now these are ready for frying. So for that, in a pan, take lots of ghee or oil and set the flame on low. So keep the flame constant at low temperature, then slide them one by one and fry till they are golden in color. And after they are done, transfer them into a bowl. Now to coat these with sugar, in another pan or a saucepan, add the half a cup of sugar along with quarter cup of water. Now switch on the flame and bring this to boil. And once the sugar completely melts, switch off the flame and quickly add it to the khurma. And with the help of the ladle, mix it up really well and quickly, because the sugar syrup don't have too much moisture in it and it will get stiff quickly. So after you are done, let it cool down for at least 1 hour. Then it's ready to consume. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad MITHA KHURUMA. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.